did I even end up here in India? To understand that, we have to go back in history. On May 14th, 1879, the Leonidas arrived in Fiji. On board were men, women and children from India. They had signed contracts for 5 years or sometimes longer, called Girmit, a word born from the mispronunciation of agreement. Many came from villages in northern India, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, farmers, laborers, parents, sons and daughters. They were promised opportunity, land, a better life. Instead, they entered an indenture system, tying them to sugar plantations for years. They worked under the burning Pacific sun, cutting sugarcane from dawn until dusk. Some returned to India and some chose to stay, building new lives on unfamiliar soil. Between 1879 and 1916, over 60,000 Indians were brought to Fiji. From that hardship, a new identity was born, Indo-Fijian. Over 140 years later, their descendants are still there, speaking Fiji Hindi, celebrating Diwali, and shaping the nation of Fiji. And now, I'm traveling in the opposite direction. I spent 21 days on the road, traveling across India, from Rajasthan all the way up north, starting in Jaisalmer. I'm going to India for 3 weeks. I've shown you 3 years of my culture, the indigenous way, Indo-Fijians. But we can't ignore that almost half of the population is Indo-Fijian. In order to learn more about the culture, we have to go back to the roots. See what they call, not the motherland, but their forefathers called it the motherland. Now, they're Fijians, Indo-Fijians. The Indo-Fijians, they contribute massively to the Fijian economy. And how else will we learn about each other if you don't start by going back to the roots? So that's what I'm gonna do. 3 weeks. I'm looking forward to it, man. And this video is also sponsored by McDonald's chicken muffin. Very important. Thank you, McDonald's. And McDonald's coffee too. So you can see here. First stop, we're gonna fly to Singapore. Then from Singapore to Delhi, and then embark on our adventure there. I don't really know what to expect, people, but I'm looking forward to it. Joining me on this trip is Papa, Daddy, and my wife. Yes. So I have to be a good husband,
You ate all that?
Thank you, McDonald's. Thank you. I hope I don't get dogs in the plane. Gula, Kalabata, India, here we come. Boarded. Look, a lot of people on this flight. This is the first time that I'm gonna use the neck rest. I'm gonna use the neck rest, man. All those years I've been flying from Denmark to Fiji or vice versa. I've always regretted not buying neck rest, I always say next time I'll buy, next time I'll buy. But then you forget all about it, and then when you touch down either in Denmark or Fiji, your neck is it's just like you're a zombie or something, because you've been sleeping all the way, So let's see if this helps. Hopefully. Don't want to arrive to India and my face is like.
And then.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Very hot in Singapore. Hot towel. Too much grog last night. Kankan your way before we hit India. We have now arrived to Singapore. You can see that. Look. We have to go to Terminal 3 and from there get on our plane to Delhi. Now we are just waiting for the Sky train, which will arrive in 4 minutes in order to get to our terminal, Terminal 3. We have arrived to Terminal 3, man. Now we just have to find our gate. So when we took the Sky train, I was admiring the view on the other side of the train and then didn't notice the waterfall. You know, they always show on TikTok and on Reels at Singapore. But I managed to capture a few seconds of it because I saw it too late, you know. But it's beautiful, man. We finally cleared the last security, so now we're gonna board the plane. We finally touched down in Delhi, man. You can see there, on the way to arrivals. Bruh, my ass is sore from the flight, man. Like, can't wait to get out of here, you know. But I'm tired, to be honest, man. It's a long flight just to sit on your ass all day, you know. Fuck. Ah, okay. But I can't see this one. I think it's best not to put it up there, you know. We're finally here. It's hot. Now we need to go to the hotel, check in. And you can see there. Feels like, reminds me of Fiji, the horn sound, you know, from the cars and everything. That's the one thing I remember when I moved from Fiji to Denmark. That in Denmark they don't play around with horns unless it's serious, you know, or they want to have your attention. Other than that, they don't. But in Fiji, oh, different story. Same here in India, I guess. Now we're gonna go to our transport, go to the hotel, Sili, and find Ashish Kaka, so we can lose it. He's India somewhere. I don't know actually where in India, but India is a big country, so we won't meet this time. He's been sending some updates here and there, but yeah, maybe next time, Kaka. Our transport, Suba, no sorry, Suba. Bro, look at the traffic, man. And Papa said this is like nothing because it's during the evening time. Still a lot when you see it the first time. So imagine during the day, more cars on the road, you know. But this is like, for me this is crazy, man. Look. Imagine if you rented a car here back in the day when there were no GPS on your phone or in general GPS. Like, you would easily get lost, you know. Look. Look at this. just trying to push his way in. Tour organizer just told us that in Delhi alone there's about 35 million people living here. 35 million. That's crazy, man. 35 million. I mean, there's over 1 billion people in India, but still, if you compare it to Fiji, there's not even a million in Fiji, you know? And we complain about the traffic from, Nosori to Suva every morning.
Very scary.
You'll see more.
Three
Six of
in
them
one scooter, man.
on a bike.
3 people on the bike.
Namaste, namaste. We have arrived to our hotel, Golden Grand Hotel.
Consider bottle like bottle, you know, a full bottle. Yeah, 650 ml. Yeah.
और यमुनोत्री
यमुनोत्री तो मतलब आप जब गए थे तो सेम ही लगेगा, कुछ चेंज नहीं है। बिल्कुल हाँ, पर शॉर्ट है ना, थोड़ा शॉर्ट है।
होटल्स वगैरह अच्छा बन गया।
हाँ, वहाँ पे आसपास थोड़ा डेवलपमेंट ज़्यादा हो गया, बाकी वो सेम है, वो वहाँ कोई चेंज नहीं है। इतना पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ ना यमुनोत्री।
We will see you when you come back. This is called papadam.
Paparam.
Yeah.
Oi,
And with the
And this is
Green chutney.
Green chutney.
oi, green chutney.
Coriander
Made out of
and
mint and coriander.
Oh, looks good. Hey,
you try.
tahu patang lang.
you just dip it in.
Oi, take a piece.
You live at Papadam.
Yeah, in Swagat.
Oh yeah, okay.
Take it.
Oh, okay. First time. Fake it.
That's it.
Then just dip.
Yeah, just dip man.
What's the name of it again?
Papadam.
Papadam.
Yeah, papad, and if you go further south, it's called papadam.
Oh,
In north,
In
it's
north
called
it's called
papad.
papad.
oh,
In
not
south
papar.
it is called papadam.
Yeah,
It's made out of lentil.
Ah, okay.
So
fried.
if you forget, just remember Papa and Dam.
Have it, it will be soggy, you know. Once you dip it, it becomes
You have to
soggy.
eat it.
Oh, Papa Dum.
That's a
Nice.
good way to mug up, huh?
It's nice, yeah.
Goes good with the beer, you know. Goes good with the beer.
Okay, folks, it's almost 20 to 12, and we have to get up early in the morning. 6 o'clock, we have to leave here in the morning and go back to the airport because we have a domestic flight to Rajasthan where we're gonna begin our tour. I think I'm gonna hit the bed. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from Hotel Golden Grand Pacific Delhi. Daddy woke us up early. She mistook the time, you know. She thought it was time to go, but it was actually only 3 o'clock. We were supposed to get up 4:30, and then leave here 5 o'clock. But she mistook the time, so now we're up early. So we're gonna go to the airport and get our SIM and stuff like that, you know, before we have our flight to Rajasthan. You know, this is a tradition within the Singh family. Daddy doesn't want to be a part of it because it's about her. But always takes egg to the airport and eat it before you fly for good luck. Look.
Is the color of the egg here in India?
White.
White.
See, Daddy doesn't want to be near us right now because we are making fun of her. Because one time they have to go on holidays and then she wanted to empty the fridge and there were eggs left, so she took it to the airport. And then when she opens it, the airport, you know the smell of eggs sometimes, yeah? And then AJ Bayer just took off, you know, because of the smell. And now every time they go on holiday, they always bring up that experience, you know. And we always have a laugh about it. See, look. She's over there. Doesn't want to be part of it. Good luck, eh? I'll have one. Where to go? Time to get something to eat. Don't know what this is. It's really good. Oh, good. Touchdown, Jaisalmer. People, we have arrived at the first place where we're going to start our tour, Jaisalmer, in the state of Rajasthan. I'm going to spend a lot of time here in Rajasthan, go to different places. First stop is Jaisalmer, and you can see here, you know, it's completely different from Delhi. You know, it's much more dry here. It's basically desert, and that just shows how vast India is, you know, how big it is. You know, you can travel 2 hours away with the plane and the nature looks completely different. And yeah, man, I'm really looking forward to it. Suba nanti suba, let's go, big minibus. Samsung. We're on the way to our accommodation for tonight. Desert camp. Gonna sleep in a tent. Hopefully go for a camel ride this afternoon. Let's see, man. Oh, yeah, man.
35 kilometers out of from Jaisalmer, the city.
Long way from the city.
Right next to it.
This is a different one.
We haven't been this one.
Well, we are here. Get ready to sleep in a tent. Let's go. Chalo. Yele. Oh, it looks good, man. Namaste. Hey, gecko. Okay, this is it, people. The desert camp. You can see there some under construction over there. Oh, very hot in here. Bro, this is a resort for me, that cater for me, you know, out far away from the noise, away from the city, out in the nature, You can hear the birds, the animals, and they have an outdoor bed where you can just lay down and chill if you want to. Look, bro, this is amazing, you know. I can already feel the wind, you know, being under this tree. Hey, there's a raven. Okay, maybe not lay all the way in under the tree because I don't want to get the birds to shit on me while I chill. So maybe not take those beds, but these ones. Okay, let's check out the rooms, man. Okay, let's have a look, man. Nice. Have fresh water. There's a mirror here. Chairs. Bed. Essential in this heat. Aircon. And bathroom, toilet. Oi. It's a big bathroom and toilet. Good. And it's a Western toilet. You know, when I came to Singapore, I had to use the toilet. And I was waiting in line, you know. And then one became available, and then I went in, had a look. And then it was like, where you have to rosso, you know, squat toilet. And then I went out again. And then the others that were waiting in line, they were like confused, like, are you already done, or what the hell happened? And I said, oh no, I'm not used to squat. And they kind of laughed. And then one went in, so I had to wait until one of these toilets, Western toilets, became available, you know. I mean, if you're not used to it, then it is what it is, you know. Luckily it wasn't dogs. If it was dogs, then I think I had to do it, you know. They just brought us juice, fresh lemonade, I think. Whew. How lovely. Let's taste. Sweet.
We try some of it.
Sweet and salty.
Yeah. It's lemon.
Really good, man. It's not too sweet. It's not too salty. It's in the middle. Man. Yeah. Okay. Gonna have some rest. It's 5 p.m. We have a camel ride activity. People, we're back. It's the afternoon. Now it's time for the safari with this jeep. So, we're ready to go, man.
Where are we going?
Safari.
Dubai.
Desert safari. Desert safari and camel ride. It's gonna be a 2-hour drive to the desert. Area. Bumpy ride. Make sure you don't have a gassy stomach or eating something spicy just before going on this. I wouldn't recommend it.
We have kava.
Or kava. Whoa! Imagine being dope and then go on the safari. I don't think your stomach would handle it. Yeah. Boy. The middle of nowhere, man. There are people living peace. Hey, I think we're here. Nope.
Changing the gears.
Oh, there's some more.
It's gonna be.
Huh?
Hold on to it.
Oh, okay, okay.
पकड़ के रखना था डेली स्टार्ट हो रहा अभी ठीक है
जी जी
क्या शुरू हुआ?
हाँ?
क्या शुरू हो रहा है?
जी मोसी
अभी शुरू हुआ है।
जी मोसी.
करके रख।
We're not the only one who's going on safari. You see other jeeps as well here. Okay, he said to hold on tight because we're going uphill.
Right hand.
Whoa. Holy shit, man. Yeah. Bro. Oh. Look. Oh, bro. Oh, gonna reverse. Bro, this is amazing, man. Yeah. Oh shit! I think we're here. Time for camel ride. Namaste, 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 bro. It was amazing.
Go back on this.
Yeah, we're gonna go back on that. I guess this is the camel we're gonna go with.
Yeah, you can either wait around, go a bit later, or you can go now.
Oh, okay.
So this is part of the package.
अपना कैमल इधर पैकेज में
हाँ वो
कैमल
पैकेज
सफारी एंड
हाँ, वो अलग से।
पैकेज कैमल का राउंड रहता है इधर से घुमा कर यहाँ लाएगा सनसेट देखो सनसेट के बाद में गाड़ी वाला वापस ले जाएगा अगर एटी भी ये लोग यहाँ से 12 पॉइंट घूमने जाते हैं बजरंगी भाई की छुट्टियाँ बनी पुराना बॉर्डर बाटी वही वाली सफारी तो पूरा अंदर
हाँ
टापू है स्लाइट है दलदल है
अच्छा अच्छा
पूरा लोग तो एटी भी में
अच्छा
ये करना है तो अलग से
So he's saying that we can either get on now or wait until closer to sunset, then we'll go around with the camel. I'm beginning to pick up Hindi. No, I didn't understand shit, I was just guessing it. So, you can see the camels here, pretty big. Hey, hey. You know, back in Denmark, when it's summer, you know, back in your younging days, where you went out with your boys, the friends, during the summertime, shades on, sitting outside the pub and having some beers, and then girls will pass by, and then my friends will say, "Hey, check that camel toe," and then I'll be like sitting there, you know, see the girl pass by, look at her toes, and every time I would think, man, doesn't look like she has a camel toe, you know, she just have a normal toe. Now when I stand here beside a camel and look at the camel's toe, you can see that. There. I still don't get it. Like, girls and camel toe, you know, for me, the toes does look normal, the girls. Does remind me of the camel's toe. I didn't want to ask my friends because I don't want to be silly and, you know, be stupid. So I just kept it quiet. But I always wondered, you know, what do they mean when they say, "Oh, check the camel toe," you know? Because I would always look at the girls' toes. And maybe my friends were just trolling, you know, my silly friends. So if anyone know what they mean, please do explain it in the comments, because I don't get it. Look. Silly them, you know. That was back in the day, you know, when you were young. Dorvo, you know. We're gonna be 2 and 2. I'll go with my wife. Shibab and Daddy there.
Babe, sit still.
You're quite high, you know. It's quite scary. Really? Look. Here we go. There are a lot of people here, man. A lot of local tourists too.
I'm alright. It's a little bit scary. Yeah.
We should bring camels back to Fiji, you know, instead of horses, camels. Wow, amazing stuff. Manga. I think the camel in front of us just farted. So look at this little kid. Oh, cute. Oh. So cute. So back in the day, forefathers of the Indo-Fijians that now lives in Fiji, before they migrated, they would be living like this, you know, every day, camel ride, day in and day out. Then one day someone will wake up, be on the camel, and they'll be like, "Screw this, man, I'm sick and tired of riding camels, looking at the desert, you know, I'm tired of camel toes, I need something new." And that is, people, how some of the Indo-Fijians, or the forefathers of Indo-Fijians, they ended up in Fiji, simply because they were tired of camel and their camel toes. True story.
Actually, your story sucks one.
Hey, you don't like my story?
No, I
You
don't.
need to push you off. My wife hates my story. I'm just trying to explain how some of the forefathers of Indo-Fijians ended up in Fiji. And she thought my story sucked. I thought it was good. Look at this. Maybe school trip, field trip. Namaste. Yeah. Boy, this is amazing. Look at the view. This is India, man. Not only the hustle and bustle, but if you go to the countryside, the middle of nowhere, there's also people who just go on with their daily lives, you know. Namaste. Namaste. They're enjoying themselves, man. It's amazing stuff, amazing stuff. Hey, camel. Our camel here is like the Ngava camel, you know. It wants to go its own way. Oi, Ngava camel, stay in your lane, man. Here.
He goes fast, he goes slow.
Yeah, it wants to overtake Papandadi's camel. Namaste. Man, say no. Do I say it wrong or what? Or I say namaste to people? They're just like, not on. Don't return back the namaste. I feel sad. The Tanwam, all of cover, and just enjoy it. Whew. Come here, love. I help you, love. I help you. You okay, love? You okay? I'm like, she's kaka, you know? Come on, love. I'm really happy to experience what some of the forefathers of the Indo-Fijians went through, you know? Just for a short while. It was really good. Simple life, hard life, you know? Not easy to live out here in the desert. Some of them found their way all the way to Fiji. Generations later, they call themselves Indo-Fijians. After that hard day of camel ride, you can enjoy some chai tea. Woo, very sweet, very strong, hardcore. Naka, thank you. We're just gonna enjoy the sunset and then head back home.
अच्छा कितने 50? Five?
Yeah.
Children?
Yeah.
कितने उम्र? What age?
I'm the 36.
30.
It is my marriage. 2014 में मैंने की थी.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
अच्छा जी.
Some wash down to end the day, eh?
Yeah, special service in the desert.
Yeah.
Right?
Hey, only in India.
What?
Here in the desert.
What brand is it?
Of course,
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. We are loyal to
Uber.
Kingfisher.
Uber drink.
Yes, was it green this morning or lunchtime? Now red.
They have it different kinds. This one is strong, I think.
Oh, it is strong.
Holy moly. This one is stronger, like the Fiji Bitter, man. The green one is like the Fiji Gold. More smooth.
More
eh?
smooth. Yeah.
This is a real Tangani drink.
फोटो साथ में आ जाएगी.
Thank you. We are back at the hotel, the resort. Thank you. getting ready for the evening entertainment. See there. That's the entertainment. This is our entertainment.
Local rum, is it? What is it for?
Exclamation.
Exclamation. Oh my god.
And we have some snacks here. She has a matka on her head. Look. Sponsored by Kingfisher.